To access Google Forms on an iPhone, start by opening a browser and searching for formsgoogle.com. This will direct you to a new blank form, where you can create a form using your already logged in Gmail account. If you need to switch accounts, you can do so by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner. Note that the Google Forms website on mobile devices displays a new blank form by default, rather than the Forms homepage that you would see on a PC or Mac, which lists all of your forms. To view your existing forms, click on the Forms icon at the top left corner, which will take you to Google Drive, where all your Google Forms are stored. From here, you can access and edit any of your forms by tapping on them, which will open them in preview mode. To make changes to a form, click on the three bars at the top right corner and select Open in New Window from the pop-up menu, and you will be taken to the Google Forms website for that particular form. Here, you can edit the form, view responses, and manage settings from the top menu bar. This process allows you to access and manage your Google Forms on an iPhone.